Here are 5 things you didn't know about Sitting Bull. First, when he was killed, he was actually performing in Buffalo Bill's Wild West show, traveling across America as entertainment for white audiences. The same warrior who defeated Custer was reduced to a circus act. Second, he adopted sharpshooter Annie Oakley as his daughter, calling her Little Sure Shot after watching her perform. This fierce Lakota chief became a protective father figure to a young white woman. Third, he predicted Custer's defeat through a vision during a sun dance ceremony. He saw soldiers falling from the sky like grasshoppers, which came true at Little Bighorn. Fourth, he refused reservation life so completely that he fled to Canada for 4 years with his entire band. He chose exile over surrender to American authority. Fifth, the men sent to arrest him were fellow Lakota serving as Indian police. They accidentally sparked the gunfight that killed him, meaning Sitting Bull died at the hands of his own people.